I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can transfer money from your checking account onto your saving accounts. So first off, you will have to insert your ATM card into the green slot, right? After that, you want to enter in your PIN, of course. And then after that, you want to click on select a transfer, right? So just select a transfer. After that, you want to select a currency, right? So for this case, let's just use dollars. After that, just enter in the transaction amount. So either 500 or 1,000 or $2,000, or enter in your own custom amount like $50 or less. And then after that, you have to select an account type, right? So in this case, we want to transfer from our checking account, which is there, onto our saving accounts. But for now, just click on checking. After that, you just want to select your account number. After that, just select your transfer account type. So we're going to be transferring from checking onto savings. So on this one, pick savings. After that, select the transfer account number. After that, review and confirm payment details. And then that's it. You've successfully transferred from your checking account onto your saving accounts. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.